AI is so critical right now in terms of the future because of the incredible amount of data that is being produced in all industries by all types of machines or systems, and actually starting to grab hold of that data and create meaningful action from it and drive company decisions and customer experience from it. At Ople, we use AI to build AI. Simply put, the mission is to put AI into the hands of people that aren't necessarily PhD data scientists, enabling them to start delivering on ideas that they have, but also going back to the PhD data scientists, empowering them to do more and take on more projects than they ever thought possible. The biggest way that we're transforming industries is through empowering companies to no longer use AI for just moonshot projects. We like to use the spreadsheet analogy. You don't care about how many spreadsheets you use. There's no limiter on that. But for some reason, historically, people get scared about trying AI. So what we are out there doing and proving is that you should try every challenge with AI. And the product that we provide enables you to test that concept and whether your project could be solved through AI in as little as 20 minutes. Well, I can tell you that I say nothing but good things about Plug-and-Play. Our experience since Plug-and-Play invested in us in late 2017 has been nothing but fantastic. We've participated in at least 5 different batches in different verticals, and throughout that we've generated an amazing amount of pipeline and actually closed deals that are helping us learn amazing things about what our product can do for companies, help us refine our product, but most importantly, begin to really add value and impact those industries.